There's the sirens are going off. I finally caught it. The sirens are right over there. They're not behind the trees, they're way farther than that. But the sirens are going off. I did miss the wind up, but I got a video of it going off. Finally. I should have kept filming. Like what I said, it's a 2001 SRNB at the church. Sorry I missed the wind up. But like I said, I'll get a video while I can. And as you can see, it's 7:06 p.m. and they do go off at 7. I'm gonna shut up for a minute so you can hear a sound. They were a little late going off. But I'm happy I caught it. Nice caught for it facing toward us while it's winding down. That was cool.